Everybody, clap your hands to the music. Come on, let's welcome them. Not forgetting also to welcome our host. His name is Ellie.
Hello everyone, Salam alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
Today we are going to meet special birds. Each one of them has a beautiful color, exceptional talent. You can use your phones, but make sure the flashes are off. It might interrupt the performance of the bird. My name is Elias.
I'm Cass Spell, and joining us the fourth largest parrot in the world. He will raise the UA flag so we can start. His name is
Mr. Stars. Mr. Stars is the fourth largest Macaw, and he will raise the UA flag. Everyone, let's give him a big round of applause. Take your time. شايف الطيور عم ترقص.
La, never in my entire life.
This guy have Alzheimer. He do the show with me every day. Have you ever seen birds dancing before? No? Roll your cameras. Come on, Mr. Boy. Hey, Jamie. Best friends. The gangsters. Everyone, hands in the air. Let's cheer them up.
Okay, hold on. Kids, guys, what can you say about their dancing? Are they dance good? Yeah, bravo. What? Did you really doubt?
Did you like the dancing?
Yes, of course, bro.
Who liked the dancing? Raise your hand.
Damn.
This is a total disaster.
What?
Yes, it's a total disaster. You call this dancing?
Yes.
Put something, I'll show you dancing. Okay, put your music. No, put Arabic. Okay, everyone, I want you to clap your hands, alright? I'm gonna show you the best dance ever. Come on, everyone. Ready? Here we go.
You know what, Habibi? You better stop dancing because they are laughing at you.
Should stop dancing. Everybody was applauding.
Excuse me, the birds.
How was my dancing? Huh?
He said no.
Don't embarrass me. How was my dancing? Am I a good dancer? No? You know what? Such an embarrassment. Dance some more! Let's give a big round of applause to James. Thank you, stars, special trainers, Kapurka. When I was a kid, I had my favorite animation movie, رسوم متحركة المفضل. I don't know if you guys watch it. Have you ever watched Rio? Rio, it's a movie, it's a cartoon movie all about birds. In this movie, there is a small bird with a big beak. His beak looks like a banana. Do you know what kind of birds are they?
It starts with what?
It starts with the letter T.
Ends with?
And
How many letters?
6. Absolutely right, the Toucan. Ladies and gentlemen, all the way from Brazil, the lovely Toucan. Oh yeah. There are more than 42 different species of toucans around the world, and these one are the 4 most beautiful. Yes, stand here. Open your hand. Anyone here can become a trainer, but there is rule number 1 to become a trainer.
What is the rule?
You don't know what's the rule?
No.
Papa, do you know what's the rule? Okay, open your hand. Rule number 1, never ever eat the bird's food. Close the other hand, close it. No, close it down. Yes, perfect. Keep your hand like this, do not move your hand. These birds are very friendly and sociable, and they are very important to the environment. Whenever they eat the fruit, they always spread the seed back in the ground for it to grow all over again. Close your hand. Very nice. Do not move, he will take your glasses. Alright, let's give him a big round of applause. Marvelous, thank you. One more? Alright, one more. Who wants to join me one more? Mama. Little kid later. هلا. نقيله هيدا البيرد للكبار. Okay, Mama, stand here. Now rule number 1, what is it? Perfect. Rule number 2, what is it?
That is the golden rule.
You should not move? No, you should never put the bird in the pocket because they're so cute. Open your hand, like this, keep your hand like this. Alright, do not move it. The most beautiful one is called the rainbow toucan. Why? Because they have 7 different colors on their beak. They are very beautiful. These ones are the four most beautiful. Close your hand. Very nice. Let's give Mom a big round of applause. Thank you so much. Thank you, Rio, and thank you, Merli Kapuka. And the white team, raise your hands. Very good, very good. Who wants to be with the green team?
Me.
Let's make a race. Fly.
What? Is there any rules to win this race?
The one who finished first will win.
Okay, I love
The
it.
one who finished last will also win.
Okay, what role is this? For the Olympics? I think
You know?
I win and you win.
No, yes, because my mother always said, always be fair.
Okay, so we
Ladies
are
and
top.
gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause to the white team and also to the green team. There's no losers here. Alright. The surfer cockatoos. These birds, they come in four different colors. White, black, gray, and pink. They can live up to 8 years of age. But the black one is special. The black one can live up to 100 years of age. And they find one partner and they stay together for 100 years.
Wow.
Yeah. Baba, can you do it? 100 years. He's laughing, he's not saying anything. DJ, can you do it?
Inshallah.
Inshallah, inshallah. Today he's using the brush using 4 different colors creating a masterpiece. عصافير الكاكاتوز بتجري 4 الوان مثل الفيل الابيض الاسود الزهري والرمادي، ولا اسم ثاني كاكاتوز التاج الاصفر. عندها ريش صفر على الراس وقت تتحمص، ريش بيوقفوا بيصيروا على شكل تاج. هيدي الطيور بتقدر تعيش ل 30 سنه وبتجي من استراليا. Today he's using the brush creating a masterpiece. I want you to use your imagination. Take a good look at the canvas and tell me what do you see? What does it look like? What do you think? What does it look like? شو شو على الرسم شو ايه شو بين الرسم ولا بلا فيها شيء DJ what do you see
I see nothing.
good for you buddy good for you both of you are the same okay anyone else what do you see princess when you look at the painting what does it look like for example like a tree a house a bird someone does it paint I like it why not let's give a big round
How about you, bro? Do you have an idea?
my friend it's very awesome
Well,
look carefully this is Baba and this is Mama why this is Mama because she's wearing a weird hat
Okay, can I take a look?
huh right look
Dude. Oh, come on, bro. You know what? You are wrong.
sure I'm wrong the mother the husband and the wife with the weird
What?
hat
It's a fruit.
it's a what
Fruit.
what kind of fruit look like this
This is my favorite dessert.
what is it
Fruit salad.
fruit
Yeah, that's my friend.
you know what I'm gonna ask the audience is this a fruit salad John no is this 2 couples with weird hat
No.
is this you and Saki are you kidding me
It's almost the... Oh, wow.
Whoa! Come on, let's give Rush a big round of applause. Marvelous. Bro, did you see his shoes?
Where?
It's your favorite animal.
Oh, yes.
Dinosaurs. Let's give him a big round of applause.
Can I borrow that something? A dinosaur
Go.
shoes.
Yeah, let's go. What you doing on my hand? Now I want one of the adults to come and join me. Who wants to join me from adults? But wait. Whoever... Yeah, Habibi, what's wrong with you flying from one hand to another? Go to Mama. You know what? No, one. Let's play with one. It's alright. Keep the rest. Now I want you. I think you played with him in 20s. Come a bit. I want you to stand here and I want you to hold the money like this in your hand. Alright? Hold the money. Spread your arm. Do not move your hand. This bird has been trained by 2 genius people. Ali Baba. Ali Baba, he comes. He walks. He takes the money. And he never got back.
Excuse me, why he's not coming back?
Because he have a lot of money and I'm gonna take them all. Now wait. Who thinks we should give him the money back? Raise your hands. Yes, please come and pay him.
No, we have to be polite.
You know what? We're gonna give you the money back. Come this time. Open your hand like this and keep it open. Now once you put the money in your hand, close it. Alright? Come on, big boy, bring the money. Alright, here he comes.
Where is the money? What is this?
Close your hand. What is this? Check, maybe inside the money. I think it's a message. Thank you so much for your donation.
No.
Come. One more time. Open your hand. Yalla, big boy, bring the money.
Close your hand
Alright, close
and
the
run.
hand. Let's give a big round of applause. Marvelous. Go. 1, 2. Here we go. And where is it? Okay, who say this side? Raise your hands. Let me see. 30% of the audience correct.
Wow. I'm impressed.
Round 2, eyes on the clock. 1, 2, 3. This one a bit complicated. And what is it? Who say in the middle? Raise your hands. I can't believe it.
How many percent?
50% of the audience correct.
Wow. You know why?
Why?
Because you mix very slow.
You know what? This is only a training. Now is the real one. Are you ready? Eyes on the clock. 1, 2, 3. Come on.
Wow, this is what I'm talking about. Okay, more faster. Yes, yes. And how about some juggling? Come on.
Ooh, shakalaka! You know what, bro?
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell you something, yes?
Okay.
When I was at school, I
Yes.
was the best magician ever, and nobody could figure out where is the ball. Huh?
Where's the ball?
What? Baba, what's your name? Yasin. Baba, stand up. Where's the ball?
Where's the ball?
In my pocket. Who agree with Baba Yasin? Raise your hands. In the pocket. Now, Baba Yasin, what does this do? Wah, wah, wah. You know what? I'm gonna call my best friend, the third largest Macaw, Mr. Tweety. Check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Everyone, let's cheer them on. What's your name? Me. Amir, DJ doesn't trust me, so you gotta do the shuffle. انت اللي بتخلص، اوكي؟ يلا امير، طابق والطاب، اللي منك تخلص، 1، 2، 3، يلا امير، اخلص اسرع 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 اسرع.
Wow. You know what? You're gonna be a part of us someday, huh? Yeah.
يلا whenever you're ready، يلا نكون جاهزين.
يلا.
خلاص؟ اوكي، اديني 5. Relax, take back your seat. Now I have no idea where's the ball. Tweety, impress the ball.
Let's talk about the real life. What's this? Where is the ball? Abracadabra. Concentrate and focus, my friend.
Wow! Man, how good is this?
Because he's a magician.
Did you know that this boy is not only a magician, he loved mathematics. Who loved mathematics? مين بيحب الرياضيات؟ Okay, who doesn't love mathematics? I thought so, you know what? No. Okay, Judy, the secret of the game, you should never tell what is it, okay? So write it and don't say it to anyone. It's a secret. You're the only one who should know, yeah? Alright, let's do it again. Alright, yalla Judy, choose another number. Very nice, I think she got so excited. Yalla Judy, again. Can you see your number here? Alright. Can you see your number? Yes, very good. Can you see your number? Yes, very nice. Can you see your number? No.
Oh.
So 2 yeses, 2 no's. What? Okay, so what happened is Judy chose one number, but this time nobody know what is it.
But you know what, bro? It should be 3 yeses and 1 no.
Allah, should we pretend that we know what we're doing?
Yes, of course.
Okay, let's go. So what happened is now she chose one number and she wrote it down on the board. Different boards and different numbers. Big boy will find it. Everyone, let's cheer him up!
So what do you think? 2 digits number, 1 digit.
I don't know. 2 digits?
What? Okay, hold on.
Okay, so what is the second one? Wait a minute, I think.
Is that your number?
Judy, is that your number? Number 12? Show everyone. Whoa! It's number 12. Judy, you were so awesome. Give me these ones. Give me a big high five. Let's give a big round of applause to Judy. Come on. Marvelous. Now I'm gonna take you on a journey from one corner to another in 6 seconds. Yalla big boy, let's pedal. Hands in the air. Come on. Let's give a big round of applause to Tweety and thank you, man. Kapuka. Now, choose. Alright, we're gonna count this time. Yalla, Amir, come one more time. Yalla. Okay, what's your name, princess? Aria. I want you to choose one picture and hide it, yes? Don't show it to me. Choose. Choose which one you want. Take it. Hide it. Hide it like this, hide it. Yes. Choose. يلا اختار واحدة. كده. خفية. Now listen carefully. When I turn my back, I want you to show the pictures to all your friends. Okay? Don't show it to me. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Show the pictures to everyone. فرجوا الصور للكل. Show it. Yes, yes, yes. Now ladies and gentlemen, take a good look at the pictures. Everybody saw? يلا hide it, hide it. Perfect. Amir, put it here, don't show it to me. حطها هون ما تفرجيني هي. حطها هون. أيوة، برافو. Put it here, don't show it to me. Very nice. Give me a high five. It's so cool. High five. يلا take back your seat. Marvelous. What I want from you is to mix, shuffle. Look at this. I have no idea what the pictures are. Shuffle more. Keep it going, keep it going. It's alright. Keep it going. Lovely. Somebody was playing cards yesterday, huh? Alright. Look at this. Nobody knows what's the pictures. I'm gonna put them randomly. 3, 4, 5, 6. Report.
By the way, how many cards we are looking for?
2.
In name. So what is the first card? What animal is that?
Is it the horse?
Osan.
Wow. What do you think the second one
The
is?
smallest insects in the world.
Which one?
Dinosaur.
You caveman
Yes.
dinosaur. Wait a minute. Is it the flamingo?
The pink bird?
What? Man, how he do these things?
Because he is a psychic.
Do you want to know how he did this trick? Who wants to know how he did this trick? Raise your hand. If I tell you, they will fire me. Let's give a big round of applause to stars. Thank you, Miriam. Everyone, show me your guns. When I say shoot the bird, I want you to shoot the bird. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, everybody shoot him! Let's give a big round of applause to Salman Khan. Thank you, Rex, and thank you, Merly.
What's the flying birds enrolled are called the harvester, and of course the peregrine falcons are one of the fastest flying birds in the world.
Okay, we're gonna put this in your hand. The falcon will land on the hand. Okay? These birds are very friendly and sociable, and after the picture with the boy will cost you 50 dirhams only. It is very special. These birds are called the falcons or the hawks, which is there is a bit of difference between them. The shape of the wings, the shape of the beak, and the way they hawk. Let's give them a big round of applause. Sucker, هلا بالعربي ما بقدر لانه الصقر the largest eagle in the world.
أقل نسبة بالعالم.
Andre the giant.
Here comes Mr. Andre the giant, and he weighs about 4 kilograms, and he is mounting the land of his smile, which is
Island. Andrew will fly on top of your head. If you have babies, hide them. He might take them. Are you ready? 3, 2. No, he's actually flying. Yeah, I love it. This boy is only 4 years old. Look at him flying with glory. But keep your mouth closed. He shoots vanilla. After this show, you actually can take a picture with this bird. Very easy position, but you should always put protective glove on your hand like this. Position number 1 will be on the hand and you will lift him up high. Position number 2, he is 4 kilos. If you cannot lift him, you can put him on the stage. The picture with Andre will look similar to this one. It will cost you 100 dirham, but you will have a free gift with it, a small little stuffed toy. Or you can take a picture with the Macaw or the parrots with your family for 50 dirham only. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause to Andrew from Thailand, Saki from Thailand, or Anna from Thailand.
no, you are not.
I know. One more surprise. One, Yana! characters. These are called the Sunconure's Asafir Shames. And you will spend 10 minutes with them. Feed them, take pictures, take videos. Put seeds in your hand, they will fly and eat it. If you want to join us, it will cost you only 25 dirham to buy the food. Raise your hands, the trainers will give it to you. If not, this is the end of our session. Your MC Elias, DJ Cast, beautiful trainers, have a great day. Bye-bye.
Massalama!
Salita ng mga thousands of words. Nakakaminig ng kung ano-ano man. Basta kung ano naririnig niya, hindi na sasabihin niya, dali matuto.
Tinatalo lang siya ng mga nakatuto sa'yo.
Oo. Ito sa pag-ano lang, sa salita lang. Kaya ito, tinitrain pa lang namin yan. Siya yung trainer namin sa Thailand. Siya may hawak nito. Siyang manager. Siya halos ang nag-train ng mga ito. Bisita namin si... Ano? Yan o. Grabe. Trick. Yan po umpisa ng tricks. Tapos, pag nagawa niya yan, bibigyan siya ng pagkain. So, ibig sabihin, ano siya, okay yung ginawa niya. Yan ang crush niya. Bibigay mo. Yan. Hazel.
About cat. Cat. Cat.
Yun ang sounds ng cat. Sinabi niya cat. Oh.
Turn.
Wow. So what's sumasayaw?
Again.
Sa akin, how many years now?
It's 5
5 years? Kulit yan. Hindi na ako matalit.
Again cat.
Wild little setter. Train pa lang. Hindi pa siya sumasali sa show business. Going, yan na.
Good.
Good bird. Dito ko. Good bird. Bro, what's his name?
Coco.
Coco. Yan na, Coco. One more.
Good.
Yes. Yan si Mr. Vlogger. Season. Gusto rin yun. Maraming alaga na ano yan. Ito. Kaya mag-subscribe kayo kung visit kayo sa channel niya. Mag-subscribe.